Alright, so in this step, we're finally going to be installing WordPress. So let's go to our directory, websites directory, cd var form.online. Okay, so we have this index file here sitting here. Let's move that index file index.html to a lower directory. Alright, so it's moved. Okay, it's all clean now. So now it's time to install WordPress. Uh, so we'll use the wget command, wordpress.com, sorry, .org/latest.tar.gz. Okay, it's downloaded. So let's unzip it. From here we'll just do a tar extract. This will extract all files in a new folder called WordPress inside this directory. There you go. Okay. Alright, so basically since we want it in websites root directory, we'll just move all the files from WordPress directory to this main folders directory. So let's go to WordPress directory, and these are all the files. So let's move them to a lower directory. There you go. Let's go back. There you are. Okay, so time to remove this empty WordPress directory over here. These are the two. This is one folder and this is one file which we have to remove. So we'll remove the directory with this command, and then let's verify it. See, the WordPress directory is gone now, and let's just remove this latest tar file, and there you go. So this is ready. Now we're done with the installation part of the WordPress. In the next step, we'll be making some WordPress configuration. So this is the installation part is done.